Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can call someone who has blocked your number. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your logs. As you open up your logs, the interface kind of look like this. On this following page, in the bottom right corner, there is a green circle icon. Tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other side, the interface kind of look like this. On this following page, right over here, you can see in the top right corner, there is 3-dot icon. Tap on it. As you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from there, you'll have to tap on settings. On the other page, you will land inside call settings. So right at the bottom, you can see supplementary services. Tap on it. As you tap on supplementary services, in case if you have a dual SIM, then the interface might look something like this. Next, all you have to do is tap on show caller ID, which is right on top. As you tap on it, once again there is a pop-up. From here, you'll have to tap on hide numbers. What it actually does is that your number will be hidden and you'll be able to call someone who has blocked your phone number. That is how you can call someone who has blocked your contact. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.